Hi, New Mexico. This video is for the Pick 3 Pi method adjustments that I like to do sometimes. Basically, all that is a step-by-step guide on how I go about doing that process. And then what I like to do is I like to test this theory out about a month prior to see if this theory pans out. So for the Pick 3 Pi method, you're taking the first 6 digits of pi, which are 314 and 159, and then testing that with these adjustments that I'll show you in just a little bit here. So no reason really other than I just like to do that sometimes. And then for New Mexico, you guys seem to like Thursdays. Your adjustments are straight, box, and then +1 and -1. So on January 11th, you had 840 hit. You're going to add 314, so 8 plus 3 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 0 plus 4 is 4. And then you're going to subtract off the 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 536 and 154 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take that 154, which you got from over here. You're going to add 159, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 5 is 0, and then 4 plus 9 is 13. Keep the 3. You're going to also, so 203 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off the 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 14 minus 9 is 5. So that was a straight hit on January 17th. You're going to also take the 536, which you got from over here. 536 plus 159, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 6 plus 9 is 15. Keep the 5. Going to add 1 to that 5 there, so bring down 6, 8, and then add 1 to 5, and that's 686. And that was a box hit on January 13th. You're going to also subtract off 159. 5 minus 1 is 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. And then 16 minus 9 is 7. And then 487 was not, did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also mirror the 840 to 395, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 plus 1 is 0, or 10, keep the 0, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. And then you're going to also subtract off 314, so 3 minus 3 is 0, 9 minus 1 is 8, and then 5 minus 4 is 1, so 081, and 609 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take that 609, which you got from up here. 609 plus 159, so 6 plus 1 is 7, 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 9 plus 9 is 18. Keep the 8. And then 609 minus 159, so 6 minus 1 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 9 minus 9 is 0. So 758 and 550 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take that 081, which you got from up here. You're going to add 159, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3, and then 1 plus 9 is 10, keep the 0. You're going to also subtract off that 159, so 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 11 minus 9 is 2. So 932 and 130 did not hit in the next 7 days. So from this point, I'm going to show you what did hit and not what did not hit. So on January 18th, 408 hit, so you're going to subtract off 314. 4 minus 3 is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 8 minus 4 is 4. So 194 plus 1 to that 4 there. So bring down 1 9. 4 plus 1 is 5, and that was a box hit on January 22nd. You're going to also subtract or add on 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 8 plus 4 is 12. Keep the 2. You're going to also subtract off the 159, so 7 minus 1 is 6, 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 12 minus 9 is 3, so 663. That was a box hit on January 25th. You're going to also mirror the 953 to 408. 953 minus 314, so 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 13 minus 4 is 9, so 649. You're going to add 159, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 9 plus 9 is 8, so 798. Again, that middle part, you're going to do 4 plus 5 is 9, so 798. And then subtract off 1 from that 7, and that's going to be 698, and that was a box hit on January 20th. Okay, so on January 25th, you had 700 hit. You're going to mirror that to 255 minus 314, so 12 minus 3 is 9, 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 5 minus 4 is 1, so 941. Going to add 1 to the 941, and that's 942, and that was a box hit on January 27th and February 1st. You're going to also add on 314 to 255. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. You're going to also add on 159 to 569, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 1, or 11, keep the 1, and then 9 plus 9 is 18, keep the 8. You're going to also subtract off 1 from the 8 and 618, and that's 617, and that was a box hit on February 1st. And then based on all of that, these are the numbers in the next potential, or the potential numbers in the next 7 days. They are circled, but I'll do a brief summary at the very end too. And excuse the mess on that. I realized I was running out of paper in the middle of doing these. So try to ignore that. So on this past Thursday, you had 761 hit. So okay, so you're going to add, so 761, you're going to add 314, so 7 plus 3 is 0, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. So if you see that right there, so 075, and then ignore the middle there, and then 075 on the right-hand side there. You're going to subtract off 159, so 10 minus 1 is 9, 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 15 minus 9 is 6, so 926. You're going to also take 761, subtract off 314, so 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. You're going to add 1 to 457 there, and that's 458. And then here you're just going to mirror 761 to 216. Ignore the X'd out on the left-hand side there, so 216 minus 314, so 12 minus 9, or 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 6 minus 4 is 2, so 902. You're going to add 159 to that, so 9 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 2 plus 9 is 11. Keep the 1. So you're going to take that 0, 5, 1, subtract off 1 from that 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Bring down 5, 1, and that's 9, 5, 1. I'm going to also add on 1 to the 1 there, and that's 9, 5, 2. You're going to still be mirroring, so you're going to do 2, 1, 6 from that 7, 6, 1. So add 3, 1, 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the 0. You're going to add 159 to 520, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 0 plus 9 is 9. So 6, 7, 9. You're going to subtract off 1, and that's going to do 6, 7, 8. And then based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are 926, 952, 951, 678, and 478. Keep a couple things in mind on this. These numbers, they don't always show up exactly like that. They could show up as like 1 or 2 digits off. So for an example, so 926, that could be like 927, 928, 925, 924. And then let's take that 478 example too. So 479, 470, 477, 476, etc. So keep that in mind. But other than that, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments.